Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are bringing you an absolute powerhouse of a motorhome that represents the very pinnacle of the Super C-Class market. This is the 2021 Thor Magnitude BH35. For the traveler who wants the commercial-grade towing capacity, stability, and serviceability of a heavy-duty truck platform without sacrificing flagship luxury, this is your dream rig. This coach only has 8,600 original miles on the odometer. At 36 feet long, it is exceptionally easy to drive and navigate through standard fuel islands, yet it utilizes two large slide-outs to create an expansive residential footprint once you arrive at your destination. Take a look at this stunning exterior. This coach is wrapped in Thor's premium Silver Springs full-body paint package. The gorgeous blend of metallic silvers, deep charcoals, and crisp white tones gives the rig a modern, high-end automotive look that completely commands the highway. Because it is genuine full-body paint, it carries a glass-like clear coat finish that decals simply cannot match. There are no peeling vinyl stickers to worry about here. This finish is built to stay beautiful for decades. Along the passenger side, you'll notice a massive power patio awning, equipped with an integrated LED light strip, transforming your campsite into a beautiful shaded outdoor living oasis. You also have protective slide topper awnings installed over both slides to keep debris, leaves, and rainwater entirely away from your mechanical slide seals. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the aggressive truck styling at the front. Every line reflects the heavy-duty nature of the Magnitude line. We are going to complete our exterior view and then drop straight down to open the compartments so we can inspect the massive mechanical systems underneath. Let's move up to the business end under the hood, because the foundation of this Thor Magnitude is where the real engineering excels. We are sitting on the heavy-duty Ford F550 commercial chassis. Powering your journey is the absolute king of diesel powertrains, the Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine. This beast produces 330 horsepower and a staggering 825 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the smooth-shifting Ford TorqShift automatic transmission. This gives you unmatched stopping power, incredible uphill acceleration, and a massive 10,000-pound trailer hitch out back to tow cars, boats, or heavy trailers with absolute ease. When we open up the storage doors, you'll find deep, pass-through basement cargo compartments that offer an incredible amount of room for all your larger camping gear. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center featuring a 32-inch TV, perfect for tailgating or enjoying a movie under the stars. For your utility systems, this coach is heavily equipped. We have a large Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 86 hours of use. Having a heavy-duty diesel generator pulling directly from your main fuel tank provides maximum efficiency and more than enough juice to run your dual-roof AC units with built-in heat pumps simultaneously while dry camping. You'll also find a 50-amp electrical service with a detachable extension cord, a premium Xantrex inverter, and dedicated battery disconnects to manage your power system effortlessly. Campground setup is completely handled by the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with a simple touchpad control right by the entry. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how this rugged capability translates to absolute luxury in the cabin. Settling into the cab, the front cockpit area feels just like piloting a luxury heavy-duty pickup truck. You have plush, highly adjustable captain's chairs that offer an ergonomic driving experience, exceptional visibility over the road, and an intuitive automotive dash layout. Having this familiar truck platform makes driving a 36-foot motorhome incredibly comfortable and approachable, even if you are brand new to the RV lifestyle. Step up into the Magnitude, and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open, residential-style interior. The BH35 layout is a masterpiece of space management, utilizing its slides to create an exceptional amount of floor space. You'll notice the premium flooring, the modern cabinetry, and the high-end finishes immediately. It is a bright, airy environment with high ceilings that reflects that 8,600-mile care perfectly. It feels brand new. Right off the entry steps, we have your massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, offering tons of cold storage. Directly adjacent are your plush dual theater recliners, perfectly positioned to serve as the ultimate comfort zone for relaxing after a long day of travel. Look right above the cockpit area. We have a massive over-the-cab bunk bed. It features a huge 59 by 80-inch sleeping space and a large 32-inch TV mounted on a heavy-duty swivel arm. Right across the aisle is your comfortable 70-inch Dream dinette. This provides a fantastic dining hub for the family, but easily drops down to convert into an additional bed. Between the king bed, the cab bunk, and this dinette, this coach can comfortably sleep up to 6 people in total comfort. The kitchen is fully equipped for the traveling family. You have a versatile gas and electric stovetop combo, a microwave convection oven, and a deep residential sink and faucet. Surrounded by beautiful solid countertops and modern cabinetry, this galley offers fantastic storage space to keep your cookware perfectly organized. Tucked right past the kitchen is your private half bathroom. This is an incredible convenience feature for your family and guests, giving them full access to a toilet, sink, and vanity during the day. Having this 1.5 bath layout ensures that your rear master bedroom remains a completely quiet, private sanctuary, while guests have their own dedicated facilities, including a power vent fan to keep the space fresh. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach, and Thor did an absolutely spectacular job maximizing comfort here. You have a massive king bed situated in its own slide-out, providing the absolute pinnacle of sleeping luxury on the road. Having a king bed in a Super C layout is a massive advantage for getting a great night's rest. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV mounted perfectly across from the bed, along with a spacious wardrobe closet and a large bank of built-in deep drawers for all your travel attire and gear. Because this room is completely separated from the front living lounge by a private door, it serves as a quiet, peaceful room to unwind. The modern finishes and accent lighting back here really highlight the premium nature of the Magnitude line. Prepare to be completely blown away by this master bathroom at the very rear of the coach. This is a full-width master bath that offers an incredible amount of residential space. You have a beautiful sink and vanity with a great countertop and plenty of drawers for your toiletries, a toilet, and a power vent fan. The centerpiece is a huge 32 by 32-inch shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight overhead that brings in a beautiful amount of natural light while giving you that extra bit of headroom you want. Having a bathroom of this scale completely private to the master bedroom is a total game changer on the road. It is bright, clean, and beautifully integrated. As we move out of the master suite and walk back through the coach, you can really appreciate the natural residential flow and space management of this BH35 layout. Every transition feels wide and natural. Settling back into the driver's seat, look at this close-up of the command center. Everything is intuitively laid out right at your fingertips, from your built-in trailer brake controller and the TorqShift transmission shifter to your automatic hydraulic leveling touchpad and camera monitors. It makes driving this heavy-duty diesel machine an absolute pleasure. This 2021 Thor Magnitude BH35 is a phenomenal find. To recap, You are looking at a heavy-duty Ford F550 Super C with only 8,600 original miles, a 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel engine, 1.5 baths, a king master bed, an Onan quiet diesel generator, a massive exterior entertainment center, and that gorgeous Silver Springs full-body paint. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!